welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll show you how to install Google Chrome in Kali Linux. So let's start, guys. So first of all, open your Safari browser and go to the Google page, and here simply type the Chrome. Click on first link. This is the official website, Google Chrome, and now click on download Chrome. Now accept the agreement. This is for the macOS and all the terms and conditions. Now click on accept and install. Now a small window, here our package is downloading right now, so my internet speed is a little bit slow, so I skip the video. Now our package is download Google Chrome.dmg. You simply double click on it and you may find on the download section here. So here our Google Chrome.dmg, simply you may double click on it on here, this section. So I double click on here, and now our package is opening. So now I close the Safari browser. So now simply click on Google Chrome and drag into the application folder. Only simple drag it, and here copying Google Chrome to application. So here guys, right now Google Chrome is copying to our application. So this is the way how you install any application in Macintosh. So close it and close the all section and unmount the Google Chrome. Eject it. So now click on Launchpad and type here Google Chrome, and simply I found the Google Chrome here, so click on it. And here guys, this is the Google Chrome first time authentication, so click on the open, and here guys our Google Chrome is opening. So here you may open the any web page through this. So this is the way how we can install the Google Chrome in Macintosh. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.